Hello, friends. Yet another beautiful, bright, new, positive day in our life. Life is like riding a bicycle. To stay balanced, you need to keep moving. And when we say keep moving, it means keep improving, updating, upgrading, innovating in terms of physical wellness, mental wellness, emotional, financial, spiritual wellness. Friends, every once in a while, a new technology, an old problem, and a new idea. Yes, a new technology, an old problem, and a new and a big idea. All three of them turn into an innovation. Hello and welcome to Wellness Talks with Rajiv. I'm Rajiv Bharadwaj, your host for this pumping, energetic, and inspiring wellness show. And this is the GALF platform. GALF, Get a Life Fitness. GALF is a wellness aggregator firm with pan-India presence and global ambitions. GALF specializes in offering corporate wellness ecosystem through its MyGALF technology platform, be it the web app and the mobile application, and customized holistic interventions. And this is the show where with every passing episode, ladies and gentlemen, we have updated and upgraded our knowledge. Every episode, we get introduced to personalities and achievers from the wellness space who have made an indelible mark on the wellness spectrum, added a star with their achievements. It's time to welcome the guests for the day. Preeti
Hello, good
Gupta,
morning.
Siddharth Gupta, very, very warm welcome to Wellness Talks with Rajiv. How are you all?
You good. Thank you. Thank you, Rajiv. Hi,
Thank you
Siddharth.
so much, Rajiv. Hi,
So
Preeti.
good
Hi,
to
Rajiv.
see you, Preeti. So good to see you, Siddharth.
Likewise.
And Preeti Gupta, founder of Meneki Global, makers of Power Collagen, and an avid cyclist and a wellness and fitness enthusiast who believes in just believing in herself, and she believes that there are no shortcuts to hard work and consistency and improving in life. And Siddharth Gupta, founder of Sports United, who are organizers of one of the most prestigious running and sports events in and around India. And he believes in the quotes from the famous movie Rocky Balboa, where every champion was once a contender who refused to give up. And that champion, Siddharth and Preeti, the champions are with me today in Wellness Talks with Rajiv. I'm going to start with you, Siddharth. You've taken a hard hitting, focused approach crafting your career. You're an MBA, as I can see in your resume. In MBA in International Sports Management from Coventry University. You worked for a few sports brands, Siddharth. And then in 2014, you floated your own company, Sports United. Please talk us through your journey.
I've always been a sports person. Not many people know that I used to play badminton at a state level. So sports has always been part of me. Uh, After playing badminton, I started running. And in 2013-14, like you mentioned during my MBA, is while sitting in one of the lectures, I registered the domain name Sports United. And at that point, I didn't know exactly what I need to do with it, but I was pretty sure that I need to start my own company in sports because that's the only thing I'm good at, probably better than average. So that's how it all started. And when I came back, I realized that there's a good opportunity in India running, which is a upcoming, say, trend in terms of sports. And me being a runner and a sports person, I had the dual perspective, right from a runner's point of view as well as from a management point of view. So the journey has been quite a learning experience. I would say we are still a very young establishment. Our team is very young and very hungry. The journey has just begun. It's hardly been 5 years, so many more years to go. but there've definitely been high points in our small journey, as well as a lot of learnings. So in and all, it's been quite a mixed bag, but I'm really happy, to reach here at the moment.
We have a young stalwart, a young achiever, and Young Sports United, which in a very short span of time has made quite a mark in the running circuit, running events, sports events per se. And I have my other wellness specialist, Preeti Gupta. So, Preeti, you, as I can see, you're a qualified chartered accountant. You've been a freelance financial consultant and an avid, passionate cyclist. Tour de Nilgiris in India. Wow. And now you've taken up running as well. So please talk us through your journey, Preeti. And then you floated your own company, which is into health and nutrition products. And I am one of the very happy users of those nutritional products. And the company goes by the name Meneki Global.
So thank you, Raji, for a lovely introduction. My journey of the education, yes, was very different than what we are doing, but everything is linked somewhere. And over the years, you understand how much important physical fitness is. I mean, though you might not have spent a good amount of time in your initial years, but as we are growing and in this new lifestyle which we are all landing into, nothing is more important than exercise or a daily or a regular fitness. So one is fitness and one is when you take it to a serious level of sport. So not everybody could be into sports, but fitness is as essential for every individual as having food daily. So coming from that concept, what happened was after I was a freelancer and I was cycling around, my son is a national level sports, he's a national level skating champion. So from there, it all started, and very soon we realized that there was a big gap between, in this whole market, in this Indian market scenario, between the nutrition and the sports activities. To bridge that gap, along with the friends and the close team we are working with, and understanding that gap and how to fill it, we realized that the presence of the right nutrition, which is required for the sportsmen as well as for the people who are looking for general fitness, is utmost essential in India. And that's how the whole thing started. And we worked on one product. It started with Power Collagen, and now we are already brand owners of 5 different brands here.
Wonderful. So now all of us are on the GALF platform. So Siddharth, talk about your association with GALF. How and when did it start? And how is it going? How has been the journey?
So I met Amit during one of our runs, and he comes across as a very warm and charming person. And that's when the conversation started that we need to do business together and probably partner for one of our events. This is way, I think, about 2 years back, and we started off with the Sports United running events. And GALF platform has been instrumental in connecting Sports United events with a lot of corporates. They bring in a whole lot of dimension in terms of the reach of an event, and it's been a really nice association, and and definitely it's a value addition for, I guess, both of us. And I'm really looking forward towards a long term relationship with GALF, especially during these times when things are moving to more of a virtual setting, and the new normal, even
Online, the
more
online space.
yeah,
Right.
online. So even more we are looking to strengthen our ties going ahead in future.
And so are we, all the patrons out there and all the wellness and fitness enthusiasts. And Preeti, your association with GALF, if you can just put it frankly, dates back to even before its inception.
Yes,
So were you one of those people who actually helped encourage the idea in Amit Vashish's mind, and those seeding and watering and helping that idea to nourish and grow and glow, and today that's GALF in front of all of us.
I met Amit while cycling, like Siddharth met him while running. So I met him while cycling. It was just a friendly hi, hello, when you pass, when you're cycling along. And I would not say that I have helped Amit in any form, but I strongly believed that when he was starting and the whole journey which he was taking on, uh, there is no U-turn in that. He was definitely born to achieve the success, get that success. So I think I constantly was there with him, believing in him. And for us, the association between Meniki and GALS was a natural process. So it was never thought about, never talked about. It had to happen. It was more, which was supposed to happen. And the same way when we started Meniki, Amit was one of the first few people whom we shared our ideas with, and he has been an encouraging source throughout our journey, even today.
Wonderful, wonderful. And Preeti, when we talk about Meniki Global, although it's a very young firm, but it's very fast acquiring a unique market share in such a competitive sports segment. So, and your USP is the products which are, very natural. And just talk us through your entire range of products, Power High, Power Collagen, and especially they are a super duper hit and in demand, very successful among fitness enthusiasts and wellness enthusiasts across the spectrum, but particularly the cyclists.
Yeah.
So just talk us through your product range.
Okay. So, though as I said, we have 5 brands running right now. I would talk about 3 of them. One is Power Collagen, that is our flagship product. That's where we started. It's 100% natural, and again, it works for all age groups. Now, when we talk about nutrition, the nutrition requirements are there for even a small kid who's into sport as well as for any senior person. I mean, 60, 70-year, the requirements remain the same. The products which are available in the market, when we talk about protein specifically, these products are not catered to all age groups. And the requirement of having the product, a nutritional product, is one, and how the body is accepting it is the most important aspect of it. So,
Right.
having a supplement, how it is impacting your overall health is the of prime importance. So, we tried and work out something which should be as safe as possible for my own son to have it, and that's where we came across this product, and it worked wonderfully in sports. Uh, After Power Collagen, so Power Collagen took care of the protein requirements and especially the recovery requirement of the sports and the fitness segment. The thing then we found missing was the proper hydration. And Power High, we can very proudly say, is one of the most unique combination across the globe when it comes to hydration. There is no second product which can have a similar composition which we are offering right now. So it is a mix of electrolytes, which we all are aware is needed, your multivitamins,
Right.
which is very important to build your immunity, especially when we are talking and we are living in a COVID scenario. Immunity
Right.
is the most important factor to prevent ourselves from getting into such infections. And the
Right.
third important aspect which came with this was a herbal blend. So herbs like ashwagandha, brahmi, amla, ginger, then grape seeds and green tea, all have been extracted and put into each of those effervescent tablets. So the combination of this together has made a very powerful drink. And just to share with you all, this product is even used by some of these Belgium national cyclists. Okay, so they are trying it, they are using it. We are getting very good response from Europe, from Australia, India, no doubt. My tour of Nilgiris, which I was also
Right.
with last year, Power High was the hydration partner for them, and all the cyclists absolutely loved it. So that was the hydration. Then another important factor which we realized is what you have before you go for a rigorous workout. That's
Yeah. So
where
there's a pre-workout, then there's a during workout, and then there's a post
yeah,
workout.
during was Power High, post was Power Collagen, and Pre was missing. So we again found the most natural form, and this is a vegetarian source of protein. This is black chickpea, Nutri-Expert black chickpea protein.
Right.
100% natural, without preservative, without sugar. We are very much against sugar and preservative in general. So that's where we came up with this. It keeps your gut cool. It keeps your digestion system very cool. And it has again given us very good results. And a very another USP which we are very closely associated with a lot of international level athletes. Okay, these athletes are directly representing India in international platforms, and they have used and tried and tested our product over a long period of time, even before we start launching the product. So there, the results which we get through them has enabled us to keep working ahead and keep launching the more such.
That's quite a testimony, Preeti Gupta, because high performing athletes, competitive athletes in India across the spectrum, Europe, Belgium, national athletes you quoted. So that's quite a testimony of the quality of the product. And when you say, as the founder of your company, that the products are 100% natural, and to an extent that you as a mother feel comfortable in giving that product to your own son, who's a young boy and who himself is a national champion in India. So now, for a competitive sportsman and a sportsman or a sportswoman, so they work wonders. But in a nutshell, I'd like to know, from a normal male or a female who is working, a primary clientele is other corporates who work long 14, 15, 16 hours and who are into probably basic amount of small half an hour, 40 minutes of a basic exercise. So if I belong to that category, how would it benefit me?
So again, even if you are just working out for half an hour, okay, but you have long hours of working, you are exhausting your body. Your body needs repair. Okay, your body needs. In fact, if you see how we are aging, we can study the people around us and ourselves, the way we are aging. If we see how our parents and grandparents were at this age, they were far healthier because they were not putting that kind of strain as today's environment is. The levels of exhaustion are increasing, the stress factors are increasing. So keeping a very well-balanced nutrition body is an essential factor to keep going. And that's where the concept of healthy aging starts coming. And once your nutrition levels are balanced, so it is not just your physical well-being, it also works on your mental well-being. In fact, Pava Collagen has shown significant results in having a very good control on your mental health. It works because it satiates your hunger or your nutritional requirement directly at brain level. It is very easy to absorb in body. So when it absorbs into your brain so directly, you're nutritionally satisfied, you're satiated. Your urge to junk food goes down, and the problems like depression, so many other, the world is facing through them. The successful people who are successful are facing depression. This is where nutrition plays a very important role and keeping their mental and physical being both healthy. So
definitely, nutrition plays a very, very important role. And NutriExpert, I'd like to know more about that probably in a bit, because the ingredients which you mentioned are my top favorite. There's Brahmi, there's Amla, there's Ashwagandha, there's ginger. And I'd also like to bring in Siddharth into this. But before that, friends, all those who want to procure the Meniki Global products like Pava Collagen, Pava High, NutriExpert, all these are available on the MyGalf at best online prices, and use the code GALF, that's GALF50, GALF50, to avail up to 50% discount and grab your pick for Pava Collagen, Pava High or NutriExpert, about which I'd like to know more. But Siddharth, how do you respond to, as an entrepreneur and as a founder of an elite sports management company, you organize events across the spectrum, to the nutritional demands as an athlete yourself and the athletes with whom you work in your events? What's your take on the nutritional front?
So nutrition is absolutely important. I mean, without that, obviously an athlete will not be able to give out his best. So as a sportsman myself, I've always believed in consuming the more natural products out there, which will give a long lasting effective results as compared to something which is short term, and something which would fizz out in the short term. So in terms of that, we focus very closely on the athlete nutrition, and we've tied up with reputed brands, which provide such nutrition value to our runners. And often we make sure that during our events we have that right kind of hydration available during our runs, and so that's one of the important aspect which we kind of look into.
So there's something very, very important being highlighted both by Preeti Gupta and Siddharth, that the right, see, as an athlete, as a wellness enthusiast, as a fitness enthusiast, exercising and workout is necessary for all. But as we keep growing on the higher levels, moving towards a high performing athlete, the nutritional requirements right from the basic stage, starting from an average person who exercises for probably as few as 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, to a high performing athlete. So training, number one, and proper nutrition, and third and most importantly is rest. So training, good nutrition, and rest is something I'd like to add on to that as an athlete myself, that these are the things which are very essential for everyone, irrespective of the level we are onto. Now, Siddharth, your company, Sports United, is into, as we've spoken, mentioned earlier as well, elite events, and most of them are one of the premier, very popular, highly respected, regarded, and watched out for running events. So, talk us about the events across the spectrum for all ages. You've been catering to those events. So, talk about your franchisee and the events you've been undertaking.
So, Rajiv, we always focus on one thing. The most important stakeholder is always the runner. So, whenever we plan any event, we plan it around the runner. We always make sure that the runner's experience needs to be paramount. It needs to be something unique. It needs to be something which the runner looks forward to, as well as there needs to be a lot of creativity. Our events are always known to bring in some sort of a creativity, and we believe in customizing our events. So like you mentioned, we cater to a broad spectrum of people. In terms of I would like to highlight two events. One is called Run Santa Run. It's an event which probably there is no other event in the world like that. It's basically catering to someone who is, say, 1 month old, and someone who's, say, 80 plus. So it's basically a family fun run, and it is based on the three pillars which we advocate, saying that it's a just to explain you what the run is. It's a 2 kilometer run walk, which is followed by a Christmas carnival. So we give everyone the choice to dress up like a Santa or an elf, and then the entire family runs for 2 kilometers, and then the child is treated to a medal and a free Christmas carnival as a reward. So the three
Right.
pillars which this event is based on is obviously we want to culminate the habit of fitness and exercise in children at a very young age. Our charity partners are Make-A-Wish Foundation. So through this event, we make sure we grant at least about 10 to 15 wishes, for children who are actually suffering from life-threatening diseases. And the third pillar is, to celebrate the joy of togetherness, the festival of Christmas, and to bring that closeness among the family. So this is quite a unique event, and I've seen some sort of a niche target audience for this kind of event, and I've seen tremendous response for that. Then I would like to talk about, say, Navi Mumbai Half Marathon, which is scaled up very quickly. Within
Very
3 to 4 years, we were sitting at around 1,800 runners in the first edition, and we've jumped to 7-8,000 runners very quickly. Again, that race we've again centered it around the runner. We looked for the best possible route. We look for the best possible experience. We've got the specialization by having an international race director, Mr. Norrie Williamson, and we're positioning it to be an international race, and that's what we want to work, get towards it. So it's very well positioned, all our events that way. So that's the core. I mean, specialization and creating a unique experience for runners is what we focus on always.
And what has attracted me and the most, Siddharth, on what you mentioned about, right now is about emphasizing on the pillars of your event. Like, concentrating, focusing on as young as probably a toddler to a grandparent and the family bonding, inculcating the habits and cultivating, encouraging the youngsters, the toddlers also to be a part of, it's a walk, run kind of a thing where exercise and health and wellness in general is being not only encouraged, being celebrated. Then the most beautiful thing which touched my heart is you mentioned a bonding thing. Because at times what happens, I'd like to confess, as an athlete, when you start running, and after a certain point of time, it happens that you touch a level where every now and then, whenever, even if it's a trial run or a warm-up run, you want to just give, okay, I'm going to have those cut off timing or the pace or something. But it's very, very important to just enjoy being with the family, with the society, just being there. So I think you will be seeing me next definitely in the 2 kilometers run, Santa run. And rather being an actor, I would definitely not mind being on stage and being decorated like a Santa.
I think you should be the Santa.
I love the spirit because that's what health and wellness is all about. It's competitiveness. Yes, it is there. That's one thing. But being acceptive of the fact that there are limitations, and we all respect our and each other's limitations as far as performance is concerned, because all of us are amateurs. So yeah, there are competitive athletes, but even for them, it's very, very important to understand it's good to come first, but it's very, very good if you come second as well, because you need to know that you need to update, upgrade, grow yourself. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Absolutely.
Preeti, we were discussing about the dietary requirements and the needs. So, the dietary needs, since you quite beautifully had mentioned about the Pava Collagen, NutriXpert, Pava High, but from a normal person's point of view, the dietary requirements for a normal working person, as we discussed before, would be quite different from a performing athlete. So now in that scenario, how would you, and people are of a view that if I, as a person who exercises regularly, or I am in a running group or part of a cycling group, or I do yoga, so regularly, which is good. But full square meal, our Indian thali, yes, all of us hold it in high regards, but what is there in that thali is important, not just consuming that full square meal. So what's your take on that as regards the full square meal in our Indian thali, or what is actually there in that thali, the ingredients that counts?
Thank you, Rajiv. It's very important for any individual who is, see, why we are doing sports is the first reason we are into sports or fitness is because we want to improve our health. Okay, we want to be better, we want to be healthy. Now, if we are not supporting our physical activities by the right nutrition, we land into injuries. And I'm sure both you, Siddharth and Rajiv, you must have come across many individuals who are a part of your running group or any other kind of sport who very frequently go into these injuries. Okay, now what happens is our regular Indian thali meal is it's in fact a very good, it has a combination of protein, your carbs, and your vitamins, everything together. But what happens is we also need to understand that when we are taking our body and pushing it to another level, what is it that is still missing? Is that amount of protein which we are consuming in our dal is enough? Or even people who are non-vegetarian, the amount of protein requirement is way higher than what is there in your plate. And consuming, so let's talk about a small kid, say a 10-year-old child, who who is into a rigorous training regime of 2 hours every day. Now, for them, they can't increase the amount of dal they are consuming. They can't make it 4 bowls of dal instead of having one in a time. So the best way is to supplement by the best possible supplements which are natural and not harmful at all for their bodies. The second important aspect is when you consume any form of food, it has to be absorbed also into your body. So just taking nutrition is not enough, but making sure that it is getting absorbed into your system is in fact more important than that. Now, when we just take a thali, how we are eating it, how slowly we are digesting it, there are so many factors as to it going into your system. And then also there are not whole arena of things. Now, when we talk about Pava Collagen specifically, it works as a glue to your body. So when you are into any physical sport, what it does is basically, when you are into sports, it causes a lot of tissue damages, muscle damages. These are recovered by proper rest and nutrition, and that's how your body grows. That's how muscle grows. They have to open up, stretch to grow. Now, when you don't give them the right nutrition, they land us into injuries, like your knee injuries, your hamstring injuries, and so forth, so on. Now, when Pava Collagen you are consuming, it is made with the scales and the skin of the fish. Okay, though it is a non-vegetarian product, but I would like to share 60 to 70% of our current clientele is pure vegetarian. It doesn't give you any feeling of having something non-vegetarian, including myself. I'm a pure vegetarian, but I'm a regular user of Pava Collagen. Now, what it does is, it on a daily basis, it keeps your body recovered and repaired. Okay, and it leads your system into the mode of injury. Now, this is where supplements play a very important role. This cannot come in any other form. This cannot come in your regular meal. The same goes for hydration. Now, when you are eating salts and everything, that's all right. But when you are sweating way much more. And another misconception I like to bring in this point is, people think that drinking water is enough while running or while doing sports. They feel that when I'm drinking water, I'm hydrating. So drinking water is not hydrating. It's having the right electrolytes back into your system is hydrating. So you need to get your salts back and not just the water back. Because if you're just taking water, you're further diluting the salt. Yes. That is where
absolutely. So what you've please go on.
So that is where when you don't want your system to go into injuries, your salts to remain proper into your body, and you grow healthier. Every run you make, every run you go for should actually make you stronger rather than weaker. Every training run or an actual race should make you stronger rather than make you weaker. That's the whole ideology behind each of our products. So,
absolutely, every run, every exercise, every workout should ensure that we grow one small step, even if a one small step, but a better version of our own selves, which we were before that exercise or that workout or that sporting activity we are indulging ourselves into. And also what you've reiterated is the importance of, like, it's very easy to ensure a good amount of or an adequate quantity of a meal, but the challenge is ensuring the adequate quantity of nutrition in that amount of food which we have, or the quantity of food which we have in the serving or in the plate. So there comes the expert advice and experts, the doctors and the dietitians. So that advice and friends, that expert opinion, expert advice on the dietary aspects and all, if all those people who are right now tuned in and watching this live broadcast, if you are someone, a performing athlete, you are a corporate client or a working professional working long hours, or long distance cyclist like Preeti, or a runner like Siddharth, myself included, you can consult the top dietitians right here on this platform, the MyGalf app. Siddharth, now your association, when we talk about Galf and the MyGalf app, your Sports United has been, even you've been advocating Galf And as we previously mentioned as well, GALF has been openly advocating Sports United. So it's been a win-win situation and mutual growth for both of you. So what is it, if you would like to, from the patron's point of view or someone who's experienced Siddharth Gupta, Sports United's running events, or now you introduce me to the Run Santa Run event. That's a beautiful Run Carnival family event. So what's this as a wellness and a fitness enthusiast, Siddharth? What can I expect from this beautiful and rock solid partnership of Sports United and GALF in near future?
So, Rajiv, like you mentioned, the partnership is rock solid, which comes with a lot of benefits. So, because GALF is a preferred partner, you get deals and you get the kind of access to our events at a preferred, pricing, as well as access to a lot of other benefits, when it comes to our events. In terms of that, a lot of corporates can look forward to a holistic solution. So, may it be events, exercise, sports, nutrition, like you mentioned, fitness, diet, a hell lot of things can be covered in this partnership. So
No,
going
Siddharth, there's
ahead,
one thing that comes to mind. Okay,
yeah.
please go ahead.
No,
Please
no.
go ahead.
So yeah, I mean, as a corporate client, they can look forward to a lot of exciting things, through this partnership, and a lot of benefits, of course.
So when you talk about as a wellness enthusiast, as a runner, we can look forward to a lot of exciting things coming up. But now, Siddharth, the organizer, the entrepreneur, the founder of Sports United, when you organize a running event, Siddharth, from what are the challenges, and from the runners, from we the runners, what are the challenges or the demands? Are we and this is very candid. I want to know because uh, when we as runners demand and expect a lot of things from everything perfect from the organizer, Sports United, Siddharth Gupta. He should be providing us this, that, proper hydration. We want a beautiful T-shirt. Your jackets have been the in thing, quite famous, and the route markers, volunteer support, post-run breakfast, and all everything. We are so demanding. Yes, that's correct. But from an organizer's point of view, I'd like to know, and it's going to be an education for all of us. What is your expectation from us, the runners? What is it that you expect the runners to do, and just to bring to the table when they come to the running event?
Well, Rajiv, this has got to do with a lot of got to do with the culture. I mean, when you look at events happening abroad and when you compare that with events happening in India, there's a huge difference in culture. In abroad, you will never find a hot breakfast given to a runner. I mean, I've run marathons like Dubai, Singapore, and they just handed a banana to me, and I'm just kind of looking, and I actually, I mean, that is the normal, right? Over here we have to, like you mentioned, the culture is different, the demands are different. What I need to what I expect from the runner is, first of all, as an organizer, what they it's very difficult for me to explain what goes behind to
Okay,
organize an
okay.
event.
Now I'd like to butt in. If you hand over a banana to me after I completed a 152 or a 150 half marathon in Navi Mumbai, I'd even if I am just collapsing and I have finished strong, but after my finish line I have a medal and I'm sporting the Sports United T-shirt and all, but I see only a banana in my hand and a cold breakfast. And the runner in me is gonna give you that stare. Come on, Dad, how can you do this to me? Because we Indians are used to that hot breakfast being served
Yeah.
post the event.
Absolutely. I mean, with a banana, you probably put in a nutrition bar or
Right,
some
right,
drink, right? But
right, right.
definitely not a poha or a pav bhaji. I mean, that is something which is beyond, but that's how it is. I mean, I have nothing against it. That's what
Right.
the audience demands. So
But
just
but
coming,
that, what I wanted to hear was from a responsibility point of view. When we expect a lot of these 10 pointers from Siddharth or the Sports United or the event organizer, as a runner, we or as an athlete, as a cyclist, as a performing athlete, amateur or professional, there are sets of at least 3, 4, 5 top responsibilities what an organizer, without even saying, expects it from us. So if you can
So,
just
so
guide it, yeah.
So basically, Rajiv, I mean, obviously, etiquettes during the race, say cleanliness, basic things like cleanliness, non-cheating, because cheating is quite a big issue among elite athletes. Probably it's not
Right,
applicable to you
right,
and me,
right.
but that is quite an issue with underprivileged runners who have. There's a good, clan of people who kind of cheat. But
Yeah,
what as an organizer, one thing I expect is, I read a lot on Facebook, and I'm being very candid and open.
yeah,
I've
yeah.
come across this comment a lot of times that marathon is the new money making business, and I just obviously I don't respond to them, but I'm just wondering, apart from say a couple of big marathon organizers in India, I don't think anyone is making any money, because what people don't understand is that a lot of investment goes back into the event. If I can take the liberty, a lot of time people have told me that, Siddharth, when are you going to start earning money from your events? Or are you trying to always create a Sanjay Leela Bansali movie where you just
Yeah,
want to give everything to your runners? And I
yeah.
obviously believe, and my team believes, that investing in the runner is quite it will ultimately give you a return. So it's just that as a runner, I would expect all the runners to understand that organizing is definitely not easy, especially it comes to licensing, permissions,
So there,
approvals.
there are a lot of things which go into, from the organizer's point of view, into setting up an
Yes,
event. So being fair as an athlete is one which you advocated. Then
yes,
cleanliness,
cleanliness,
and an athlete's etiquettes,
etiquette.
good cordial behavior. Because even if there's something is not up to the mark, so there is a way of communicating a particular
Absolutely.
thing to the organizer or to the team of
Absolutely.
representatives.
Absolutely. That's exactly what I was getting to.
So
So
when we
yeah,
talk about the running culture or the sporting culture, the cycling thing, because there has been advent of sporting activities and the awareness for good health and overall well-being has shot up tremendously in the past couple of years, which is quite a healthy sign for a country which is a young country predominantly. And Preeti, Siddharth, me, so all, if we people are in the working space and wellness and fitness enthusiasts, so if we are in our own way small ambassadors of wellness and fitness, so what we need to also as a society need to inculcate the values, the culture, the behavior.
absolutely. Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
uh, uh, thank you so much, Siddharth, for emphasizing on this point, because on this very platform, when we talk about the advocating good health, wellness, it is equally important to realize that being socially responsible as well when we start competing or participating in that event. Because any event or any workout or a physical sporting activity, the basic agenda is to go and express yourself to the best of your abilities on that particular day, irrespective of the training hours
You're,
I have
you're
put into
competing
that.
against yourself, basically, and
Yes,
it's
yes.
more like it's your own personal, space when you're running or exercising.
So now, Preeti, I'd like to bring you into the discussion at this very point, the responsibility and the education as regards being aware and responsible. So on the education bit, do you think that it is still in the growing stage as regards being aware, or the education for the nutritional requirements of any person's body is concerned? Yes, there has been upswing, but do you think it's still growing? And how do you see the interest being growing, or is there in a recent times, probably these couple of months, have you come across sudden increase in the requirements of the nutritional knowledge or the products of your company as well?
Thank you, Rajiv. So, from the beginning, we saw that there is a huge gap in the knowledge aspect, and we have been clearly working very hard, as hard on our product, on the education part, because it is very important for us to tell people that, okay, why they need a product, or why they need a supplement, or why they need to hydrate their body. And even what we came across, that many athletes who are at the international levels were unaware about such requirements. So what happens is your body till a particular age works on your good, healthy hormones. They support you and they give you that kick. But once you start aging and these things come back very badly and the injuries start happening. So educating them has been our primary motive. Our website for that very reason has been very informative and explanatory where a person can go through and see all the possible benefits and the uses of various products. Now, coming to the understanding in the recent part in the last 3 months, yes, we have seen a major shift, though not as much as it has to be, but yes, there has been a positive shift where people are understanding that prevention is better than cure. So, having a healthy body with a good immune system is far better than falling sick and then looking for a cure for that. And we have been seeing demand not only from metro cities, but from far off B towns and C towns where people are now ordering for our products, understanding that how these products will eventually help them, and they see the results. I mean, the results are very very visible in a very short span of time.
Okay, so
So yes,
Preeti, now if I am someone, if I'm a corporate, okay, who happen to be the major clientele of GALF, a working professional, of fitness, wellness enthusiasts, runners, cyclists, and who are ardent followers of wellness and overall fitness. So if now, today, I'm watching Wellness Talks with Raji, with Preeti and Siddharth, and not today since I've heard from Preeti Gupta. So if I want to initiate, take my first step, what would be, those first three, top two three guidelines you would give to me as a founder of your company, not just particularly about your product, but generally if I want to go ahead with the nutritional requirements, what are the first top two three steps I should take so as they take me into the correct direction of consuming in nutrients in the right quantity and quality?
so, Rajiv, before we take any step, understanding our body is the primary importance. Okay, so in that, one could be you understand your own body, but in certain aspects when you fail to understand where your physical abilities are hindered or are hampering in any way, you take a guidance of a doctor or a dietitian. But understanding where you stand today is very important to understand where you want to reach. So, primarily, you need to understand where you are standing today and where you want to see yourself after a year or 2 years and going ahead. Once you've understood your body, understanding what level of physical activities would suit you and what you're pushing yourself slowly towards will help you in guiding what kind of nutritional requirements are needed by your body. And even with that, as you said, if you're of course, if you're already 28, around age, what happens is when you talk about collagen, collagen is a protein which is there in our body already. Okay, once you hit 28, and after that, every year, 2% starts depleting. So that's where we start seeing the signs of aging in our body, like wrinkled skin, gray hair, unhealthy hair, weakening of muscles, and so on. That's where you need to understand what is going down, and that's where you need to replenish it. When you take collagen, it works from your hair to your toenails, your dental system, your eyes, everything. So it is not limited. Your nutritional requirements are not limited to sport. They are actually way beyond just sport and fitness. They are as how you are aging, how you are becoming stronger. There is a misconception among many that as you age, your performance decreases. No, it's not like that. In fact, with age, our performance should increase. We should be able
Right,
to perform better. We are coming with experience. Now, what happens is we decrease in our performance because we have not taken care of our nutrition.
right,
So
right,
we,
right.
we,
And nutrition, that's a very important point you highlighted, Preeti, because nutrition suddenly is not going to happen that I heard it on Wellness Talks from Preeti, and from today, right today, and probably another week's time, my the nutrition is going to be pumped into my body. And because this, we are talking about the nutritional requirements of the body. We, Siddharth, Preeti, and myself are not talking about performance enhancers. So it is, we are talking about a holistic, natural, and a time bound and long, it's a journey. Nutrition is a journey. So anyone who's wanting a performance enhancer, this is not the platform. You are free to switch over to a new next channel, whatever is available, because right here what Preeti is emphasizing is it's a nutrition. We need to know our body, number one. We need to assess, analyze the level of fitness and the level at which the intensity of fitness activities we are performing, and on the basis of that, that's going to help us know our nutritional requirements. And who's going to tell me my level? Well, that's going to be an expert, a doctor, or a nutritionist who are available on the MyGalf platform, ladies and gentlemen. So you can log on to this very app, MyGalf. Siddharth, you know what happens now being an actor, there are situations where role play, whenever I'm given a new role or a character, so I prepare for that well. So my director calls me and says, Rajiv, okay, or when they're narrating a new character to me, okay Rajiv, just imagine, ऐसा आप imagine करो कि इस तरह के हो और फिर वैसा करना है. So I'd like to play the director and see, I can see a handsome Munda Siddharth Gupta in front of me, and who deals with thousands of athletes day in, day out. So I'm going to put you into a role play kind of a situation. Imagine yourself, Siddharth, as a corporate. You've been working for 14, 15, 16 hours, even in the COVID lockdown days, work from home. My corporate friends have been telling me, Rajiv, now the working hours have actually increased because there is no switch off. We are virtually eating and on our live Zoom calls as well. So now what kind of a sporting solution would you want to design for a corporate group, a company, or an individual?
So Rajiv, I'm working very closely with Amit on this, and we are looking at creating a platform. Now, obviously, like you mentioned, with the virtual and online situation where everything is going online, we've seen even today we are talking like a webinar which is online, work from home. There are sporting events now which have happened virtual. I can talk about running. So we've seen the Comrades Marathon, which has become virtual. All the big marathons are now becoming virtual. There is more emphasis given on, say, online training, education, not just fitness, even schools and everything have gone online. So we are creating a platform. So basically the events will cater to the corporate's client, and they will have the flexibility of, following the event or the sport as per their convenience. So we are closely working on some events and creating a sporting platform, and you'll very soon hear it from Amit and me, and especially on Galf platform.
So very soon, as the patrons and wellness and fitness enthusiasts, irrespective of whether we are the working professionals, corporates, or the people from the media like me, or wellness and fitness enthusiasts, runners, cyclists, we shall be very soon hearing on this platform from Galf and Sports United Siddharth Gupta. And people, you can also reach out to MyGalf at @getalifefitness.com. That's MYGALF, MyGalf @ getalifefitness.com for the virtual sports designing and delivery by the deadly combo of Sports United Siddharth Gupta and Galf by Amit Vashisht. The partnership which, and you shall be getting a preferred and a very, very competitive pricing. And people out there, all the wellness and fitness enthusiasts and the employees of the company can track their fitness on the MyGalf app. And when you do that, friends, you earn yourself Galf coins, which when you end up shopping on this very platform, you can redeem those points against your shopping and spends. So Preeti and Siddharth, it's been such an enriching and involving, entertaining, and such a knowledge-based conversation with you both. What will be your parting comments, Preeti Gupta?
I think most important, which you said, what I believe is consistency. So when it comes to nutrition, it's again all about consistency. It's not about having it for a month or 2 months or a week or so. It's about making it as a part of your lifestyle. So there are no other ways. I mean, so it be your training. So like you can't just get up and run a half marathon. The same way you can't have nutrition just before your run. You need to be consistent. That's all what I have to say.
Being consistent, knowing yourself, knowing your limits, and believing that it's not a quick fix solution, it's not a destination, it's a beautiful journey. And any beautiful journey is full of potholes as well, speed breakers as well, few detours as well, where there may not be race route markers or probably the volunteer support. Any final comments from you, Siddharth Gupta?
Well, I would just like to add on to what Preeti is saying, that obviously right now the situation is very difficult with the pandemic, and it's very important to maintain the fitness level. I mean, one should not lose track of being fit. Regular exercise is a must, and if we just isolate this situation and think from a optimistic point of view, soon things will obviously come back to normal, and we need to maintain our physical well-being in the meanwhile. So I would like to advocate and tell everyone to keep on working out and be fit.
So be consistent is what Preeti has been advocating, and Siddharth Gupta, be optimistic about even the pandemic is there. Let's be accepting of the fact, because and it's an entire world phenomena. So we have only and only one option, which is progressive, is being optimistic about it, because this too shall pass. But when it passes, what's going to count is, and what's going to be of prime importance is, the level of health and fitness. We are in our close surroundings, in the confines of our homes, but probably our intensity of exercise and workouts inside our homes, all of us have been working out, would be maybe slightly lesser as compared to the normal days, but it's a consistent journey all of us need to take. And on
Along
this
with the
very
right
note,
nutrition.
along with a right amount of
Right
nutrition.
nutrition.
So thank you so much, Preeti Gupta, Siddharth Gupta, for a wonderful, nutritious conversation with both of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rajiv. Pleasure.
And I'd like to thank all our viewers as well who have joined into facebook.com/mygal for this live broadcast of Wellness Talks with Rajiv. And of course, our brand partners, Garmin, Fasten Up, Health Trek Healthcare, and Aromica Tea. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all we had in today's terrific Tuesday's wonderful, power-packed episode of Wellness Talks with Rajiv, with Preeti Gupta, Siddharth Gupta, and myself. This is Rajiv Bharadwaj signing off. I shall be seeing you all on Friday in the next episode with another guest duo. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay fit.